What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be trying out mostly the Colourpop spring collection, and I say mostly because the only thing that I don't have in the whole entire collection are the Jelly Much shadows, which I'm so sad about, but it's okay. I have some of the blushes. I have the eyeshadow palette, which is the main star of this whole entire collection. This is the palette. This packaging is literally my favorite. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. I know that everybody's gonna say, oh, we have neutrals and this and this and that. I watched Raw Beauty Christie's video yesterday, and she is right when you see it online that it looks very neutral. Oh, we already have tones like that. But in person, it definitely has more of a peachy undertone with all of these mattes and the shimmers. They just go so cohesively together. Everything just, everything is so beautiful. And then I have some of the Luxe lipsticks that the collection came with. So this is the look that I created, and I am obsessed. And it is spring heavy, just spring in general. It is so good. I don't want to leave this intro super long, so without further ado, if you guys want to see how I created this look and my thoughts on the spring collection, then just keep on watching. So here is the palette. Once again, it is so pretty. So the first shade I'm going to go into is Catch Me, which is actually an unnecessary step because you literally can't see it on my skin, but it is actually a nice shade just to like prep the lid so everything else can blend really nicely. And I'm using my Morphe MB23 brush. Using the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Dream Maker, which is this really pretty light peachy shade. I'm just going to put this all over the lid. The shadows have a little bit of kickback, but nothing too crazy, and that usually doesn't bother me as long as the shadow performs well, then it doesn't matter. One of my favorites from the whole palette, from the mattes. With a little bit more of a fluffier brush, I'm going to go into Meadow, which is this more orangey, peachy, darker shade, and I'm using the Morphe M441 brush. In this, I'm just going to mostly concentrate on the outer part of the lid, but as well also bring it up with the first shade. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love these two together. Honestly, if you wanted to be like really simple, no shimmer or anything, these two on the lid and a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, and you're good to go. Like, this is a look already. The next color I'm going to use is ICYMI, which is more like a brownie, dark peachy shade. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not like brown. It has like a bit of a peach to it, which I love, or like a terracotta. And I'm gonna put this on the outer corner mostly. And I'm using the Morphe M443 brush, and I'm bringing this color more onto the lid. I'm living for these peachy vibes all the way in the springtime. Now I'm just taking my MB23, my fluffy brush, and just blending out those edges so there's no harshness, as always. So this is my favorite part of the whole entire look, and I know pretty much every single video probably has used this shade, but it's like you cannot not use it, you know what I mean? And it is the Pressed Glitter in Prima Drama. You guys, the camera's not going to be able to do it justice, honestly, but it is so beautiful in person. It has so many different like reflex of glitter. It has like a peachy, golden, I don't know how to explain it, but it is so pretty. Just like Raw Beauty Christie said, it's gorgeous, and I really hope in the future, near future, because they always come out with new things literally like every week, but I'm not complaining because they're super affordable and great products. I really hope that they come out with more of these pressed glitters, and well, it would be so awesome if they came out with a whole palette just dedicated to pressed glitters. Can we do that, Colourpop? I think we can. And look at this, you guys. I don't know if you guys will see it. Oh my god. It is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go in and start pressing it in. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna take this like almost halfway of my lid and bringing it slightly up into the crease. Like so. And what's really nice is that you can build it up or leave it a lot more softer, just depending how you want it to look. Softly bringing it more out here on the outer half of my lid, just to kind of like gradiate it where it's not just like a distinct line of like glitter and shadow, because that looks horrible. Like, are you kidding me? The most beautiful pressed glitter I've ever used. I'm not exaggerating, and I detest glitter for the most part because it is so hard to work with. But honestly, this is the most beautiful pressed glitter I've ever used, ever. And as you can see, there's like no fallout, which is amazing. Colourpop, you did your thing. So I went ahead and finished off the eyes for the most part. I just put the same 3 shadows on my lower lash line and just mix them together. Lashes, I'm using these Ardell Mega Volume in the style or number 252. I think they're really pretty. Like, they're like kind of dramatic, but not so much, and it just lets the eyeshadow still be the main focus of this whole look. But for the inner corner, I did want to dip into the Super Shock Shadow Formula Side to Side, which is this really pretty like pinky champagne color. I'm horrible at describing colors, you guys. But I'm taking like this really cute pointy brush. Did I say cute? This pointy brush. What's cute about a pointy brush? I don't know. So I'm just gonna put this in my inner corner. It's not as vibrant as I thought it would be. Maybe let me do my pinky finger. It's a lot better. Nothing like super blinding. I kind of brought it in with the lid shade a little bit, that glitter, just kind of like mixed them in together. So that is pretty much with the eyes. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty and just fun and very spring, very peachy toned, very rosy. Well, not really rosy, more peachy toned. But yeah, this is pretty much the eyes. I hope you guys like it. So now let's go ahead and try on the rest of the collection. So I received 2 of the new Super Shock shadows that came out with this collection. This is Count Me In and Growth Flirt. I'm not sure which one I want to use. This one definitely is more light and this is definitely more out there. I might mix them both. Maybe, we'll see. So I'm gonna go in with Growth Flirt first, just because it's more, oh wait, no, that's the dramatic one. No, ma'am. We're gonna go in with Count Me In first. So this is the packaging, just your basic Colourpop packaging. So I'm very new to using the Super Shock blush formula. I'm assuming it's pretty much the same as like the shadows, but they are more matte, not like shimmers. So shimmers are a lot easier to work with. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique sponge here, because I heard you can use them with a sponge or even like a duo fiber type of brush, or not duo fiber, what are they called? Anyway, so I put some on here, see how this goes. Can you guys see it? I can. It's really pretty and soft. I like that. It's nothing too crazy, which it looks a lot more intimidating in the packaging, but on the skin, it's actually really soft. And what's really nice is I can see the more I apply, you know, the more pigment it has and it's more visible. I really like these. I'm gonna go in with the other shade, the darker one, just a little bit. This is in, oh my god, I used the wrong one. This is Count Me In, and this is Growth Flirt, the darker one. Get it together, Veronica. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this. I'm not sure if it's gonna come out as intense, but we'll see. And I'm gonna just kind of build it on top a little bit. Oh yeah, you can definitely see this one a lot more. For sure. Oh, got a glitter there. This is definitely a lot more visible than the other one. And less is more. Alright, so those are both of the blushes, Count Me In and Growth Flirt. Which one do you guys like? I like them both, and together they actually really make a pretty peachy pink like combination, which is really pretty. I'm just gonna go in with the other side of my sponge and kind of like blend it out a little more so it's not too crazy. For my highlight, I'm going to use my Amrezy Anastasia highlighter. I've been obsessed with this highlighter lately. It's so good. Look at that. Oh, God. I regret not buying another one, honestly. This one was sent to me when it first launched, and I still have quite a bit. Like, honestly, I'm very impressed with how much I'm using, and I still have so much. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. It just gives a beautiful glow, like to give you that wet skin effect. Focus. Thank you. Put some on my nose as well. Cupid's bow, sheen, everywhere. Everywhere. The last thing that we're going to be trying from the collection are the Luxe lipsticks in the cream formula. I have 3 of the shades, I believe 6 in total or 5. Don't quote me on that, but I have 3 that they sent me, and they sent me Tea Time, You're Thriving, and Spring Roll. And these are the shades. If it focuses. Very pretty berry tone, pinky shades. You guys, this packaging is so pretty. I cannot get over it, and girly, and oh, it's just so cute. I think I'm gonna go in with Spring Roll, which is the most like wearable shade I can see right here. I mean, the other ones are very wearable, but for this whole look, I don't want to go too crazy with the lips. I want to go more natural, if that's even possible. And yes, this is Spring Roll, so this is the most nude shade. So this is Spring Roll. What do you guys think? A really pretty take on a nude that's more peachy, pinky, where it's not like too crazy, and it can go literally with any look, especially it combines with the whole entire palette and everything. I love it. I'll go ahead and swatch the other 2 for you guys. So this is Tea Time, and this is more of like a burnt, like rose type of shade. This is Tea Time, and then this is You're Thriving. Oh, I really love this shade too. Ooh, I love this one. I'm gonna definitely try that one next time. So these are the other 2 swatched, Tea Time and You're Thriving. So the last part of this whole entire makeup look is setting it. So I've been really enjoying these 2 together, which is the new Dewy Set from Anastasia, oh my god, and the Urban Decay All Nighter. They're both amazing together. This definitely gives the more dewy effect, so I love to put this first, and it smells so good. And then I go in with my All Nighter. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the rest of the shimmery shades in this palette because I had some requests to do that. I'm not going to swatch the mattes because, let's be real, we've seen these type of mattes before. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch side to side, which is the Super Shock Shadow Formula. I'm going to put it right here. Hope you guys can see it. Going with my all-time favorite from this whole entire palette, the Prima Drama, and I'm going to tap it in place. I'm not going to swipe god, it's so gorgeous. I wish the camera would capture it, honestly. It is the most gorgeous shade. And then we have the other pressed glitter, Early Morning. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. The glitters are definitely a lot smaller in this one, but it's still very, very beautiful. Then we have Garden Date, which is this really pretty, like, shimmer. Oh my god, that is stunning. Oh my god. And then the last shimmer shade we have is Melody. Oh my god, that's such another gorgeous shade. So these are pretty much all the standout shades in this whole entire palette. And I will definitely say that this palette is worth it. I went ahead and turned down my ring light so you guys can see the glitter a lot better. Like, how beautiful is that? And that completes this look, you guys. What do you think? I'm obsessed with this whole entire collection. I know it sounds just like Raw Beauty Kirsty when she said that this is literally the best collection that they ever come out with so far. And I would have to agree. Everything is so pretty. They really thought out this whole entire collection to like make it everything cohesive. Like the colors, the formula. The formula is always so good and so affordable, which is always mind-blowing that such an affordable brand can make such amazing quality for such an affordable price, you know? So I love this palette. Definitely my #1 recommend. Honestly, the most beautiful spring palette. And this glitter, I can't get over it. But this packaging as well is so pretty and so girly. I love it. The Super Shock blushes, also really, really nice. Wow, you just looked at, there we go. So these are the two shades that are new from the collection, Growth Flirt and Count Me In, and I'm wearing both of them, and I think they blended really, really pretty. They are not like patchy or anything. They didn't lift any of my foundation, so I'm very impressed with these. And then lastly, the Luxe lipsticks, so creamy, so pigmented. I love them. They're like, they feel so great on the lips too. They feel really moisturizing. So I'm really a fan of these as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial using the new spring collection from Colourpop. I honestly love it so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as well. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will leave all of my other social media links down below if you guys are interested. As well, the rest of the details of everything else, if you guys are interested in knowing, I will also leave there down below. And I do have a discount code with Colourpop if you guys are interested in saving some money. I don't get anything off of this. This is just for you. And it is 5 Veronica, and you can use it if you spend $20 or more at checkout. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, and I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.